Welcome to English Practice Class.
No fear. Just start.
Restaurant. A place where people eat meals. We found a nice restaurant near the train station. This restaurant serves delicious food every evening. Reservation. A booking made before arriving. I have a reservation for 2 people tonight. She made a reservation for dinner yesterday. Host. A person who welcomes guests. The host greeted us with a friendly smile. The host showed us to our table politely. Entrance. The way into a building. Please wait near the entrance for your turn. Many customers entered through the main entrance. Waiting area. A place to wait before seating. We sat in the waiting area for 10 minutes. The waiting area was clean and comfortable. Table. A piece of furniture for dining. We chose a table near the window today. Our table was ready when we arrived. Window seat. A seat beside the window. She always prefers a window seat during dinner. We enjoyed the beautiful view from our window seat. Booth. A private seating area with benches. The children enjoyed sitting in the comfortable booth. Our family chose a booth for more privacy. Chair. A seat for one person. Please pull your chair closer to the table. He placed his bag beside the chair. Available. Ready to be used. This table is available for your family now. A window seat is available at the moment. Menu. A list of food and drinks. Please bring the menu to our table. I looked at the menu before ordering. Order. To ask for food or drinks. I want to order chicken and fresh juice. She ordered a bowl of hot soup. Waiter. A man who serves customers. The waiter took our order very quickly. The waiter served our food with a smile. Beverage. A drink. My favorite beverage is fresh orange juice. She ordered a cold beverage with her meal. Dessert. Sweet food eaten after meals. We shared a delicious dessert after our dinner. He ordered ice cream for dessert. Spoon. A tool used for eating. I need a spoon for my hot soup. She stirred her coffee with a spoon. Fork. A tool with pointed ends. Please pass me the fork beside your plate. He picked up the pasta with the fork. Plate. A flat dish for serving food. Her plate is full of delicious pasta. Please put the bread on my plate. Napkin. A cloth or paper for cleaning. Use the napkin before touching your phone. She folded the napkin neatly on the table. Delicious. Very tasty. This pasta tastes absolutely delicious every single time. The soup was delicious and very hot. Bill. A statement showing the total cost. Could we have the bill before leaving, please? The waiter brought the bill after dinner. Cash. Physical money. I paid the bill with cash today. He carried enough cash for lunch. Card. A bank card for payment. She used her card to pay quickly. I forgot my card at home yesterday. Receipt. A paper showing payment details. Please keep your receipt for future reference. The cashier handed me the receipt politely. Tip. Extra money for good service. He left a generous tip for the waiter. We always give a tip for excellent service.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Keep practicing daily, speak without fear, and watch our previous and latest videos for better English practice.